Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to find your security code in Epic Games. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Epic Games. Make sure you are logged into it. Now click on this profile icon over here and simply click on account. Now let's click on password and security here. Now here we need to enter our details and if you want to make some changes, but since we are looking at the security code, we need to scroll down. So to find your security code, you need to simply click on setup and you will get email for two-factor authentication, or you can go on SMS code as well. You can choose any of this, and following the further steps you'll be able to get the security code in your Epic Games interface. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.